Sunrise greets me in the morning. Long sirens and screeching tires.
Stayed at a truck stop last night. Well, we're still here. Just pulled in a gravel lot with a bunch of trucks and slept in the camper. So we enjoyed that. That's working out well, saving us lots of money because we were sure spending it on diesel fuel. But anyways, we're planning on making it to the campground today in about 6 hours. So we will be at our destination in South Dakota. We're gonna go to the campground in town. It's what Rachel wants to do. It's first come, first serve, and it's free. So yeah, we're pulling our 42-foot fifth wheel into a free campground. We'll see how it goes. If it's a bust, then we'll be sitting on the side of the road looking for a place. Oh.
Waking up in the city. So cool, right, Max? I remember waking to the hillside as a teenage boy.
80 miles an hour is the speed limit. I think this is my first ever road I've been on driving where the speed limit is 80 miles an hour. You know me, I'm taking advantage of it. Haters are gonna hate. If I wasn't pulling this camper, I'd be doing 95 right now. Comfortably. The South Dakota Autobahn. Yeah, we just entered South Dakota about 10 minutes ago. So I made a mistake and I didn't run out of gas, but I was like 7 miles to empty and didn't want to run out of gas, out of diesel, because that can be bad. And there's just like, it's so flat out here and so vast. It's like last gas station I seen, I had like 3/4 of a tank. And so I had some tanks in the back, and Rachel has gone to go get some diesel, which was only about 18 minutes up the road, but like I said, I did not have the gas or the diesel to get there. So lesson learned, I'm gonna keep a can in the back that's full and not empty. But anyways, I was just doing a walk around to the camper to, you know, check everything out. And Rachel's been telling me about this crack. Check this thing out. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Look. Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see here. Move along. So, can't find the zip tape. It must be buried. So, Gorilla duct tape it is. Out here in the middle of windmills, a bunch of windmills. We're only about an hour from the campground, so a little short delay, but we're on our way.
Just cleaning up South Dakota roadways a minute while we're here. Lots of trash here.
This is very amazing.
Not a bad haul, huh?
Full bag of trash in a short little side of the road rest break.
Look at all that.
Whoa.
Filthy truckers. Well, we have made it to our campground for the week. Okay guys, you guys ready?
Well, we don't.
Going to find a better campground. You like this one? You do like it? Ella likes it because there's 2 little girls that live here that own it. But it's not gonna work for us. If you see here,
Are
it's just not gonna work.
we? Are we?
But we only booked it for a week because we wanted to come up here and scope it out, because you can't tell from the internet. You really can't. I mean, we are just end to end tight, and no room for the deck, no room for grill, carpet, no room for outdoor activities. Seems to be a lot of kids here though. That's one positive. Ella wants to stay, but we're gonna go scout out a few more. We'll see what happens. We might be here for a little while. We'll see. Maybe.
Sunrise greets me in the morning.